Okay, I'm just move on about Jordan Bunagan. But I heard that the news, the teacher May Tiburcio, she loves Iran in basketball. Why my dad always hates Iran? Eh, why you hate Iran and Palestine? Eh, Palestine is the birthplace of Jesus. Oh, I told it to Ate Lot. Oh, even my former teacher there, Teacher May Tiburcio, she loves Iran. And you know, Iran has a lots of a basketball team in Gilas. Oh, we discussed that in the lesson, in current events with Teacher Ivy. Oh, that that uh, that a basketball player who was Iranian. Oh, eh, that's a favorite player of Teacher May Tiburcio. For me, guys, when there is Israel and Iran war or Iran and Israel war, they should de-escalate the tensions, just like North and South Korea, just like China and Taiwan. But we have to de-escalate the tensions between the two countries and the two-state solution. I know Israel and Palestine, they're enemies. They will solve their two-state solution. Oh, because I know Israel started the war in Gaza. Israel started the airstrike in Iran, killing the Iranian generals. It has to be stopped. I condemn that Israel for attacking the buildings in Iran, 100 millions of civilians who were Iranians. Oh, Israel must be stopped. Oh, because if you don't listen this, Jordan Bunagan, Paulo Cruzada, Wawel Romero, Gene Asedio and Jeffrey Asedio, even Sangkay Janjan and Larry Gadon and Nino Barsaga, and including Jam Magno, who were pro-Israel, who were pro-Israelis. Oh, you have to better all of you to face all of your consequence. Oh, look at me and Paula Nunez. Oh, we support for Palestine. Teacher May Tiburcio support Palestine and Iran. Eh, because Teacher May loves basketball players who were Iranians in the Gilas in the FIBA World Cup. Oh, because Iranian players who wants to beat Filipino basketball player in the Gilas in 2014. Oh, in the basketball. Eh, for me, Iran and Israel war is just playing basketball. You know, guys, when you see a wars between the two countries and the two nations, this would not be happen in the Philippines and China. If China attack Taiwan, if China attack Philippines, that will be a basketball. Oh, remember, guys, you know, me and Chris Oreta, we're interested to basketball thanks to Luis Cabales. Oh, we should end up the Iran and Israel war because, you know, me, I post there in TikTok, I am against Israel, I boycott McDonald's, oh, I boycott Starbucks who were pro-Israel. I don't like Western food. Me, I like Japanese. I love Filipino dishes. Oh, I love Japanese dishes. I love German dishes from Nanay Ningning. Oh, only I choose is Filipino dishes, Japanese dishes, and German dishes. Oh, eh, Nanay Ningning supports Palestine. Oh, Nanay Ningning loves German dishes, or even at her two friends. Oh, her two friends is Helmut and Wolfgang who support for Palestine because I know they're German citizen. Oh, because Helmut and Wolfgang are Christians. They love Lord Jesus, who was a Palestinian. And I know Nanay Ningning was also a Jewish. She loves Lord Jesus, that he was Palestinian. Oh, me and Nanay Ningning, we love Lord Jesus. I advising those two countries, Israel and Palestine, they should be de-escalate their tensions. There is a war between the angels and demon. Iran is an angel. Israel is a demon. Oh, do you remember the angels and demons? And Lord Jesus said, so when the Bible, when there is a war between the two countries like Goliath and David that I mentioned by Kuya Bear, let's end this the tensions between Iran and Israel. If Benjamin Netanyahu will be resign, and if Yair Lapid was Prime Minister of Israel, he will never make wars against Iran. He will never make wars against in Gaza about the Palestinians. Yair Lapid will continue the open diplomacy instead of wars. Diplomacy. If you see Iran and Israel, when we bullied each other like in high school or in college, we never see a bully. And advice to Jordan, I only accuse Jordan Bunagan, Paulo Cruzada, Wawel Romero, Gene Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Nino Barsaga, and including Jam Magno and Sangkay Janjan. Those imbeciles and those assholes who love Benjamin Netanyahu and Bongbong Marcos, they are bangag. Bangag. Me, I like Rodrigo Duterte. Me, I like Yair Lapid. They are peacemakers. You see that Israel wants to open a diplomacy with Iran. You see that Philippines wants to open diplomacy with China. And I idolize Rodrigo Duterte and Yair Lapid. Benjamin Netanyahu and Bongbong Marcos, they are stupid. Mga gago sila. That's why.